Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this dog bed replacement cover. This is washable. It is waterproof. This is really nice and soft plush replacement. It does come with a zipper. It is removable and you can wash it. It does have an anti-slip bottom for dogs and cats. Alright, so today we have received our bed cover. This one here is offered in couple different sizes. They have a 30-inch, a 36, as well as a 44-inch, so you have many sizes to choose from. This is removable so you can wash it. It is water resistant. This is made out of 100% cotton. It is a cloth that can be used. It's super soft plush surface, warmer for the winters. It's strong 600D Oxford cloth, which is cooler in the summer. It is a plush that can be removed separately. It's high quality, double zippered. It's convenient carry and handle, so it does have a carry and handle as you can see right here. So it is waterproof Oxford cloth, so you don't have to worry about it getting all wet. This is washable. It is super easy to wash. All you have to do is remove the bed from the inside, remove it, throw it in the washer, and it cleans super nice. It's plush that can be removed and machine washed separately, so you have to take out the bed. So this one here, they offer in 3 different sizes. You got a medium, large, and an extra large. So the medium is a 30-inch, the large is 36 inches, and then the extra large is 44 inches. So this one here has a really nice zipper. As you can see right here, it goes all the way around the pillow. And the great thing about having this cover is you can fill this dog bed with anything that you want, such as if you want to use old blankets, clothes, pillows, you got foams, you can actually put a pillow in here as well. So this is a great thing about this. The plush is comfortable in fabric. The top of the bed cover is made of plush fabric, providing your pet with a super cozy and soft to touch experience. It has a featuring unique of talk plush removable design that plush part can remove separate when cleaning. The bottom of the mat is covered in heavy-duty Oxford fabric, which is strong and durable, and it is tear resistant. With the thoughtful side carrying handles design, you can put the dog bed anywhere you want. You can bring it with you. High quality, durable, double zipper, easy to put and take from the padding. This has an excellent water resistant, the waterproof PU coating maximize the protection against stains, spills, liquids, which keeps your pet mattress clean. So you can see right here, it's super durable. The zipper itself is really nice. It is very soft and comfortable. The bottom of it is water resistant and it's also skid resistant. So what I'm going to do is unzip it and I'm going to fill this in with some stuffing. I got some pillows that I'm going to throw in here. So once I put the pillows in, I'll go ahead and zip it back up and then I'll show you how it looks. So right now I'm just sticking this one pillow. I'm just going to use 2 of these king size pillows and I'm just going to push it all the way in. You can use anything to put in here. You can use pillows, you can use cotton, you can use the egg crates for the dog bedding. You can use an actual bedding up in here. So I got the one pillow in. Now I'm going to get the second pillow. It is super easy to put in. So I got the second one. I'm just going to push this in a lot more to the back. And then I'm going to straighten it out. Make sure I line it in really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and zip it up. So this is super easy to put your bedding in there. You can use an actual bed, pillows, you've got the cotton, you can use some bed crates. I like using the pillows because they're a lot softer and they're easy to put in there and you don't have to worry about any of the cotton or egg crate mess coming out. So what I'm going to do is just zip it all the way up. You can see how it is all nice and formed in there. So it looks super nice. So I'm just going to finish up zipping it up. This is a super nice dog bed. My dog has been using this. They love it. It's super soft. The top part is really thin and it's nice and warm in the summertime and also nice and cool in the wintertime. So now I'm just finishing up. You can see that it has a little handle here on the side, so it's easy to take with you on the go. So now it's all completely zipped up, and now I'm just going to push it down a little bit to get the shape that I want. You can see now it's shaped as a bed. You got a little handle right here. You can take it with you on the go. So that is that easy to put it together. You can use any kind of pillowing inside. I use pillows because it's a lot comfortable. My dogs love them, and there's no mess that's coming out of this. This is washable, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it in my dog's kennel and let them lay down, and you can see how nice this looks. So I went ahead and put some pillows in here, and I put it in my dog's kennel. They actually love it. It is super soft. I did get a lot of extra pillows in there, so it's a bit bulky, but you can do this because it is very stretchable. So you can see right here, my dog, she actually loves it. They actually slept on it all night. They kind of were fighting over who was going to have it. This one's a little bit smaller than my kennel, but I can get a bigger one. This is super nice. If you're looking for a nice dog bed cover, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's super nice. You could take it with you. You could put any kind of stuff inside of it. I would definitely recommend checking out this dog bed cover.